Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To do it, open the Start menu and search for CMD application. Once you see it, run it as administrator, click Yes, and in the following window input power CFG / battery report. Then press enter and then select this path like this. Right click on it to copy, and then you can close the window, open your file explorer or web browser, and in the path field input your path, press enter, scroll down, and right here you'll be able to find your design capacity and the full charge capacity, and that's the main information that we're looking for. So the design capacity is the original capacity of the laptop's battery. So basically the full charge capacity cannot exceed the design capacity, as the full charge capacity is the current capacity of the laptop. As you can see, it slightly exceeds the design capacity because probably design capacity was written here manually and not automatically, but generally speaking they are equal right now. But over time the full charge capacity will go down, and that will mean that your battery is worsening, because over time battery gets old, and generally speaking, once your full charge capacity level reaches some number with which you will be uncomfortable to use your PC, you'll have to replace the battery for it for your laptop to start working at full capacity again, full battery capacity. And that's basically how you check your battery health. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.